In this video, I'm going to show you how to find perfect domain for your blog. So once you're inside the Semrush, what you want to do is go into the SEO setting, and here's something called topic research. So inside the topic research, it's just going to ask you to enter a topic. So example, let me just give the car detailing, and it's going to fetch some ideas for you. Now you can see the car wash, auto detailing, car wax, and mobile car detailing kit, car detailing services list, car detailing YouTube, car detailing kit, chemical guys, etc, etc. So what I'm going to do is, if you click on the Explorer, so it's just going to open up a bunch of topics. So you can see Facebook engagement, backlinks, total shares, etc, etc. And we have the domain and also blog itself. We can especially look into the blog manually. So let me just go here and let me just show you guys. So let me just open this article, so which is a chemicalguys.com, and I can take a look at their website. And here what I can do extra is type the sitemap.xml. So if they have a sitemap, okay, this looks like the XML file does not appear to have any style. Okay, so let me just go here, type put index. Okay, looks like they haven't set up the sitemap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to their robots.txt. Okay, whole bunch of pages. They are allowing the sitemap. Okay, so we have got the sitemap blog1.xml. So let me look into this. All right, so here we go. We have got all the information, all the blog articles they have written, and we can navigate to the pages one by one. And these are all the blog articles, so which is why sitemaps blog. And what you can do is you can go to their pages and take a look at it. So you'll find some couple of topics to write on. And also, if I go to the overview, I can see the top headlines by backlinks and top interesting questions. So using this, you can go to the Hostinger domain name search, and here you will find, you can search if the domain name is available or not, which the domain name aligns to this brand. So with that said, this is how you find perfect domain.